Christmas color. Look at all those cute little Christmas biscuits. Yummy, yummy, yum, 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 yum. I've literally been struggling to push this trolley, y'all. Hello again and good morning. So this morning we started using the aloe soap. Yes, we moved on. We finished with the coffee. We're using the aloe soap, and I would have used this before. It smells amazing. Not gonna lie, the aloe soap smells so amazing. I used this soap before, but I never used it with the cream. I'm using the cream now. So this is a sample. This is what the label looks like. It is a white consistency cream. Even though it was very white in my hands. Wow, you know something? You guys, this aloe cream is very moisturizing, and that's something that I've realized about all of her creams. I use these creams on my face and like forearms and like neck and chest because I want everything to be, you know, working the same way. These creams are very moisturizing. You do not have to reapply them throughout the day. It literally moisturizes your skin really well, and you can't, like, if you scrub your skin, you can't see, like, you know, usually you have the white marks when your skin is not moisturized properly. And it smells good. It smells good. Out of all the creams, it smells amazing. It smells the best. Even though I love the coffee scent though, and I kind of like the saffron scent, but this has like this kind of perfume scent, but not really perfume. That smells really good. But yes, this is the aloes. We'll see how it works throughout the rest of the week. But so far my face feels really like moisturized and smooth, and I feel, not sure if you all could realize this, but I feel like my face is looking very much clear and kind of like brighter from using all of the skincare products so far. What do you think? Hello loves, it is 8:08 in the afternoon. I is tired, y'all. I tired. Not just tired, I'm tired. Like dialectical Trinidadian tired. So I finished work out a little after 2, reached home. And then as soon as I reached home this afternoon, I went straight to bed, get dressed and get ready to go to school. I had one exam today. So we have one exam done, 2 more to go. I am so freaking exhausted, y'all. I had like a sleep last night, but exam was okay. Hopefully we'll see how the others went. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try my best to get as long as a bath as I could possibly get. It is after 9. I still didn't start any studying yet. So what I'm going to do now is actually go do a little bit of this. I'm going to do some of my studies now and then sleep, because I do need to get a little bit of rest for the morning because I have to work. Can we just talk about, let's just take a moment to talk about my hair right now. Like, I don't know if y'all could see this, right? But right now, my hair is literally on point. I know something, like I feel in my hair right now. I have not only been in love with the length of my hair, I've been a lot into hair care and getting my hair the way that I want it to be. And right about now, not gonna lie, it actually really needs to wash. But when my hair, when my hair really needs to wash, the natural oils from my hair actually moisturizes it better and it styles better. But the thing is, it just doesn't feel clean to me, and I still need to wash it. I haven't washed it, by the way, but it gives my hair like body and volume, and my hair is very wavy. My hair is actually kind of curly, wavy in between that, but the length of my hair pulls down all of the curls, so my hair is more wavy than curly. If it is, it's very, if I cut it shorter, it will be very curly, like extremely curly. Not like gorgeous spiral curls, but it'll be really curly. Hello loves, welcome back again to Vlogmas. It is day 19. It is currently 9:30 something. Y'all, I genuinely apologize for not having vlogged yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty normal day. I worked 6 to 2. After I finished work, I didn't have class because classes are finished. I just have exams now. I just had a lot of work to do. I realized I actually know when my body needs like a detox, a gentle detox, one very intense detox, and a purge. You all know what I mean. So yesterday, since I was home, and I'm home for just a couple hours now, like the beginning half of today, I decided to take my intense detox yesterday. That wasn't the cutest thing, okay? That was not very cute. If you all know what I mean, the washroom was seeing me like, hi, how you washroom? Like every couple of minutes, okay? Anyways, moving on from that, let me give you guys a little bit of an update of what has been going on since this morning. I got up. The rain was falling a lot. I actually didn't get that much work done as I thought I would have yesterday, because I realized that now when I have more time to rest, my body is realizing how bad it is for me, like how much rest I need. So I'm starting to feel extremely exhausted. I'm constantly feeling sleepy, and I just want to sleep. So like I get up this morning like probably like minutes to 6, right? And I was good. I gained enough rest and saying, had some coffee, whatnot, bathed. I went back to sleep like probably like a little after 8. Sleep for like 20 minutes or something just to get some rest before I was studying. What happened? Do you all want to see my puppy, by the way? Oh, she's actually, come mama. She's the last one. Say hello. Tell him hello. Morning. Oh, morning. Stinking. So she's the last one that remained, and I'm actually taking her to her home on like Saturday, I believe. So she has been, this little girl, watch now, the place is cold, so she just running all over the place and going all over and sleeping under the bed. She really like sleeping under the bed, and I'm calling her, Pumpkin, where you at? You know what she doing? She hiding under the bed and she don't want to come out at all. Ready to go back? Alright, go back. What happened to me this morning? The rain is falling and this is very cool, and I did not want to have to wash my hair. I went to the washroom, and you all know like the washrooms have this little ventilation area like on the top back. There's usually all washrooms have that. A lot of people have that in their washrooms, right? Something was wrong with the ventilation outside, so daddy wanted to fix that, and here what happened, right? It had a lot of water in that area. There's a little catchment area, and when he hit it, all the water just like fall in through the vent in the washroom. While me being in the washroom, mind you, I was on my phone. Thank God my phone was here. My phone is good. Y'all, I just get soaked. Okay, I was in the washroom and I get soaked. That's why I had to wash my hair. But what I'm going to do today, we have exam 5 to 8, and I have one more. So I have 2 more exams, and I have one more project due that is on the 23rd, right? So today I am going to study for my exam, and I'll be leaving a little bit to just get some more work done. My friend and I are going to try to work on the project that we have due. I have been starting to get a little bit more rest because I have been pumping so much, like keep going for the past couple. I feel like if I'm not, but I'm kind of in between, so I have like 2 minds. I'm like taking too much rest. So is it the time where I should be just getting a little bit of rest, but not too much, because I still have so much things to do and so much things that I want to get done. I want and need to get done. And it's the 12. We are headed out now. This is our outfit. This black top that says choose life. I love it. And then these kind of pants. If you all don't know by now, I love pants like this that has all the pockets. Okay, could I have 2 6-inch on an oven roasted chicken and honey with bread, please? Yeah. Oh my god, I can't hardly see my butt. Subway is way, I was top up. It was after 1. So don't get knocked out, Kavita. Why do you have? Anyways, so look at the camera. Just by Subway, and I'm going to the car. I had to go meet my friend in this thing to go study. So we're doing that. Oh, y'all could actually see me better now. Okay, yeah. So we're going now, right? It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but I probably should have timed it here before. But I decided not to because I washed my hair, so I needed to dry. Y'all are real hungry. I literally didn't have, it's after 1, and as you know, I've been on that, doing that detox thing, and I just had breakfast this morning. So that, yeah, let us go to study, onwards to study and write our exam this evening. The rain is falling, yo, and the place is still cold. the holes on my sweater. Y'all, I suck at singing. I am not the best singer ever. I am probably like not the worst, but I'm not really good, okay? I am horrible, but you know what? Guess what? That's not gonna stop me from singing because I love it. I love it singing, and I'm gonna keep singing. No matter what, I'm gonna keep singing, okay? Because I'm bad. That's what I found in Bargains Drugs in South Park. These are all good prices. This is $18, and I buy this because while in work we have to stand up. First in shift, 3 to 6 shift, we actually have to stand. So I bought these gel soles to help massage my feet because they hurt a lot. Y'all should check this out. This $18. This is real good.
Christmas Eve, presents wrapping, carol song, hands are clapping.